Hi, I'm Meredith Tomlinson, and I'm here with Gracie Josie of Lady Basil at Paper City Coffee in downtown Chillicothe, and we're here to talk to Gracie about her beautiful plant business, how she got started, and what it is that she has to offer. So thank you, Gracie, for joining me.
Absolutely.
Tell me about your plant business and how all this came to be.
Yeah, so houseplants have been something I've collected for years, and I've just always really loved the look of them and just the ritual behind them and how they make people feel. And everything just fell into place. I've worked here at Paper City since we've opened and have just really been generously offered a space to kind of start out in.
So you said that you started like caring for the plants here at Paper City, and then it just kind of went from there.
Yeah, so this kind of became where I brought the overflow of houseplants from my own house, things that needed more light, and just kind of recognized how they made a social place feel and what a difference they made. I accumulated more and started learning a lot, and yeah, it's just been a great space.
When did you launch? You said around Christmas time?
It was the Friday after Thanksgiving, so very end of November.
Perfect timing. And it seems like people are really enjoying it. I know I personally have been in and purchased a plant or two. And tell us what the community response is. I always think it's really cool to like, so you're coming into Paper City, but oh, and by the way, you know, so I think that that's a really cool element to it too.
Yeah, it's just really been a great marriage of coffee and plants. It just kind of feels like it's always been here. It's been a great response from the community, and yeah, I knew that houseplants were a really trendy thing right now, so it's worked out really nicely. It just creates a lot of really fun conversation with customers and kind of their experiences and what they're looking for.
Not to mention a ton of great natural light here, so what better place than to house your plants?
Everything just sparkles.
Yeah, absolutely. And so tell us a bit about the plants. How do you decide which plants you're going? Like, is there a thought process in that of what you choose to purchase?
Yeah. So a lot of them are plants that I've had a lot of success with in the past. So plants that I've personally loved. And then just being open for a couple months, I've just heard a lot of feedback about what plants people are looking for. Things that don't necessarily catch my eye when I'm shopping for them. So that's been really neat to just learn how different people look at plants and the things that they love. So yeah.
And the pottery, tell us a little bit about the pottery that you kind of, like you said, small batch, so it's not always the same and probably always changing.
Yeah, it's really beautiful because everything's handmade, so they're all kind of wonkier shapes, and you can just tell that they were made by people who really care about them. All of the artists that I've kind of featured here, they are people that I've followed for quite a long time, and I've collected pieces just of my own. So yeah, I really wanted to just share pieces of really art that I've loved for a long time.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And for those that come in to purchase your plants, they can purchase them either with or without the pot. Is that how it is?
Yeah, because that's how I've experienced it myself, and how I prefer to plant shop. So you don't have to commit to a pairing. You can kind of
mix and match,
do whatever you like, whatever you want.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, Gracie, these are beautiful. It's a fantastic addition to Paper City. I hope that you follow your dreams and eventually we see you in your own storefront, because I think it's incredible and would be a fantastic addition to the community, hopefully, if that's your vision as well. So thank you so much for joining us and sharing a little bit about Lady Basil. I highly encourage you guys to come into Paper City and check out Gracie's plants, because I know you won't be disappointed. Thank you.